एक उम्मीद एक प्यार की नजर में खो गई, एक जिंदगी था खार के कब्र में सो गई, एक रात थी जो हिस्से में आई थी अब।
Assalamualaikum. उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe.
And guys, our first location was to Penrith Westfield, जिसमें हमारा first stop था to JJ's. And JJ's is known for their casual clothing, and they have very cool designs. They have clothes for women, men, and kids.
Yes, guys, funky clothing and cheap prices. And after that, we decided to check out a jewelry store. We checked out a few watches, and then after that, we headed to the
Apple store, and we were looking at the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the specs. And guys, the store was completely packed.
There were so many people, and they had so much stuff. So it was a very nice looking store, guys. So after that, we checked out this fountain.
So this is a fountain of hope located in the middle of the mall. So whatever wish you have, you can just wish upon it and throw it in the water.
Yeah, and after that we got pretty hungry, so we went to the Lanzhou noodle house, which we loved, guys. Their ambience was great, and it was just a nice looking restaurant.
That's right. And they also have a prayer room which is located inside the restaurant. So if you're ordering food and it's taking time and it's prayer time, you can go ahead and pray.
Yeah, that's a great idea. I recommend every halal restaurant to offer that.
So we ordered this beef noodle, and they are basically known for their beef noodles. So it had beef in it, coriander, chili oil, and it was made in the broth. Overall, we would rate this
8 out of 10. And we also ordered the momos, which were also great, guys. The only thing I would say is the quantity of beef was a bit less, but overall good experience.
That's right. And of course, हमें कुछ मीठा तो चाहिए ही था. So we went to
Oliver Brown.
That's right. And we got hot chocolate. They are famous for their hot chocolate, and their hot chocolate is literally amazing. So if you live here, you need to try it.
Guys, one of the best hot chocolates in Australia, easily.
That's right. उसके बाद हमारा दूसरा दिन शुरू हुआ, and we went for a little bit of shopping. So we went to Montreal, and this was like a little like lunar New Year type decoration. फिर जब हम बाहर की तरफ गए तो this guy was kind enough to cut us watermelon, and he was making us try it, and they were super sweet, so we got one ourselves.
Yes, guys, the watermelons were very sweet. Highly recommend this fruit market. It's called
Abu Salim Fruit Market
in Mount Druitt, Westfield. So definitely a try. So after that, we checked out more of the vegetables and fruits that we saw, and that quite a variety.
That's right. And this is located inside the Westfield Mall. This is called Fruitopia. And they, along with fruits and vegetables, they have a lot of like snacks and Arabic, like Middle East snacks and everything, which is pretty cool to see. And they also have these American drinks, which we showed you guys earlier in a candy store, which is located in Oban. So that was pretty great.
That's right, guys. And we explored more of the store, and we came across different juices and sauces and things like that.
उसके बाद हम लोग घर आ गए और शॉपिंग संभालने का टाइम हो गया था. So we decided to keep everything away, and here we were showing you guys all the shopping. Trust me, जितनी थकावट शॉपिंग करने में होती है उसके बाद उसे संभालने में और होती है. We also got these lamps, and we thought they were pretty cool. So उसके बाद हमें बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रही थी. So Mama made this chicken Manchurian and fried rice. अगर आप लोग को इसकी रेसिपी चाहिए, please let us know. This Manchurian was although a little bit different from what we normally have. We normally have it a little bit dry, but this was a different recipe, and we had these spring rolls which were literally fried to perfection. And this is how we made them.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम. कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद है खैरियत से होंगे. अच्छा, आज हम लोग बना रहे हैं स्प्रिंग रोल्स. तो मैंने सोचा चले आपके साथ भी रेसिपी शेयर करते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हमने लिया कैबिज को हमने इस तरह से काट के रख दिया. हम ये सारा कैबिज तो इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे, हम आधा करेंगे. और उसके साथ हमने लिया एक प्याज भी इस तरीके से काट लीजिए. और साथ हमने चिकन श्रेड कर लिया, बॉईल कर ली. आधा किलो चिकन है, उसके ऊपर मैंने ब्लैक पेपर डाल दिया. और ये हमारा स्प्रिंग अनियन है, और उसके साथ ये मटर है, और ये गाजरें भी इसी तरह श्रेड कर लें. और ये साथ हमारे है थोड़ा सा कॉटेज चीज. तो इसके बाद हम आते हैं स्प्रिंग रोल पेस्ट्रीज की तरफ. तो ये शीट्स हैं, ये आपको चाइनीज शॉप्स पे मिल जाएंगी. 30 में भी आती हैं और 20 का भी पैकेट मिल जाता है. अच्छा, ये हमने साथ बनाई है आटे की लई, जो कि हम स्प्रिंग रोल बनाएंगे तो उसमें ही हमारे काम आएगी। अच्छा, सबसे पहले हमने पैन में ऑयल डाल दिया। ऑयल में हमने एक प्याज डाल के तो उसको अच्छे से सोटे कर लिया। उसके बाद इसमें हमने कैबिज डालनी है, और कैबिज को भी जल्दी तेज आंच पे आपने बनाना है, ताकि उसका पानी यानी कैबिज अपना पानी ना छोड़े, और जल्दी जल्दी से उसको गला के तो फिर ये सारी चीज़ें हमने मिक्स करनी है। और फिर आपको बताते हैं कि स्प्रिंग रोल कैसे बनते हैं, और फिर आपको खिला के भी बताते हैं। ये स्प्रिंग रोल की फिलिंग तैयार हो गई है, तो इसको भी हम स्प्रिंग रोल बनाते हैं इससे, तो फिर आपको बताते हैं कि कैसे बने हैं।
Hey guys, आज हमारे पास बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है, मेरे प्यारे भाई, प्लीज ट्राई करें।
जज़ाकल्लाह, बहुत शुक्रिया। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज हम ट्राई करेंगे
चिकन मंचूरियन,
चिकन मंचूरियन और साथ
एग फ्राइड राइस।
एग फ्राइड राइस। बिस्मिल्लाह। सुभान अल्लाह, जबरदस्त।
कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत जबरदस्त। ये चिकन स्प्रिंग रोल,
हाँ जी,
जबरदस्त, नाइस और क्रंची। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
कैसा लगा?
सुभान अल्लाह, जबरदस्त, बहुत ही मजे का और बहुत ही फ्रेश।
चले जी, हमारे गेस्ट को हमारा खाना पसंद आया, तो इससे बड़ी बात और क्या हो सकती है। तो आप लोग भी बनाएं, एंजॉय करें, और अपने बच्चों को, अपने मेहमानों को, अपने रिश्तेदारों को सबको खिलाएं और खुश करें सबको।
So guys, we had purchased an entertainment unit which we were assembling together, and it was a lot of fun assembling it together. We bought this drill from Bunnings and made life so much easier.
That's right. And guys, building is actually really fun, especially if you have the right people to do it with. But this was like a new experience for us because हमने कभी भी building नहीं किया, especially एक साथ तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया. So one thing about building is that you do get confused at some points, and इसीलिए हमारे पास हमारे भाई थे जिन्होंने हमारी मदद की थी to build things.
Yes, guys, they were very kind enough to help us, and it ended up being assembled, which we will show you in the next video. We were quite satisfied at the end. So after building, we decided to have some dessert.
That's right, and this is our favorite dessert, and it's very easy to make. So we had that.
Yes, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Like we said before, please do subscribe and share, and inshallah, we'll see you in the next video.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.